Today, I'm out on the Charles River looking for one of my favorite animals, the muskrat.
Muskrats are native to North America. They're called muskrats because of their long tails that make them look like rats. These tails, unlike the rest of their bodies, are covered with scales instead of hair. Muskrats and beavers often share the same habitats, but muskrats are much smaller than beavers. They're usually anywhere from 16 to 28 inches long, but half of that is just their long, scaly tail. Muskrats spend most of their time in the water. They are excellent swimmers. They can swim underwater for anywhere from 12 to 17 minutes at a time. Muskrats burrow into the sides of rivers, streams, and ponds to make homes with underwater entrances, or they make push-ups, which are floating nests made out of vegetation and mud. You can see here, a muskrat is busy adding to its nest to protect itself, its mate, and its young from predators, including other muskrats. Muskrats are mostly vegetarians. However, they are known to eat small animals, including mussels, frogs, crayfish, fish, and small turtles.